A day after the Karnataka government handed over the Hubli student murder case to the CID, the Congress government has now decided to set up a special court for crimes against women in the state. This, remember, comes after Karnataka witnessed widespread protests over the murder of Neha Hiremat, the daughter of a Congress leader who was stabbed to death by the accused named Fayaz inside the college premises in Dharwad. A team of CID officials have reached Hubli for investigation into this matter. Neha's mother, Geeta, has complained to the police about some Instagram accounts posting fake pictures of her daughter and Fayaz. She's also, in fact, urged the police to take action against those who are responsible and block all the handles. Meanwhile, politics continues with top BJP leaders protesting across the state, claiming that Congress government's alleged appeasement politics was responsible for the incident. And they will be holding a protest as well today as well in the state.
ಒಂದು ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಕಿನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಂಥ ವಿಕೃತ ಮನಸ್ಸದವರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಳಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಹುಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಮುಂದೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಯದಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಇಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಕಳ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸಚಿವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಬಂದಂಥ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ತಕ್ಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆಕೆಗೆ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಇಂಥ ಮರುಕಳಿಸಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಘಟನೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನನ್ನೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಾವು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಯನೂ ನಿಗದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 12 ದಿವಸದೊಳಗಾಗಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿ ವರದಿ ಒಪ್ಪಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ CID ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಪ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆನೇ CID ಟೀಮ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ, ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
In this episode, the state government has handed over this investigation to COD. The statements given by Chief Minister himself, the statement given by Home Minister of this Karnataka government, and statement of few ministers is very disturbing, because in the tragedy like this, how can Chief Minister say that this murder has taken place due to some personal reason, and Home Minister comes out with some other statement, and District in charge Minister indirectly supporting minorities? Where is the question of minority or majority, and trying to indirectly trying to protect minorities? Whether it's minority or majority, murderer is murderer, nothing to do with caste or religion. So I demand the Congress government, Honorable Chief Minister, instead of wasting time by doing investigation by COD, please hand over this investigation to CBI.
My colleague Neha is joining us on the broadcast to help us understand the situation that's panning out there. Neha, the political war of words continues even as this case now has been handed over to the CID, with officials coming in to investigate the matter. And of course, Neha's mother concerned about her fake images and fake visuals being circulated online. What are the authorities saying on the investigation that is underway in this?
Well, yes, in fact, what we're now picking up is that, Shreya, the officials, of course, over here in concern with the investigation had reached Hubli earlier this morning, I beg your pardon. And, of course, they are going on to investigate this case from all the angles right now. They've, of course, taken, the transfer of the case from the local police here, and they would, of course, further now probing what really led to this heinous crime. There are, of course, a lot of allegations and counter-allegations that have come through over here from, of course, political parties and the family alike. All of that is also going to be probed. But even as the investigation is progressing on one hand, on the other hand, we're seeing that the politics around this entire case is just refusing to die down anytime soon.